All right, so we're back out here messing with the brute yet again. So where we left off, obviously, was doing these boxes. What are those?
Bro.
Every time, man.
Every time. Comfy.
So we got one box done the other day only because we had to have like a game plan meeting, a morale boosting little meeting, if you will. Coming to Jesus, however you want to word it. So we only got the one box done. So today we're gonna finish separating these. I just see the Gerb is already hard at work there. Oh my gosh, filming in session. You act like this is your house. So yeah, he's already on the second box here, as you see, and I think the game plan for this evening, which Aaron can correct me if I'm wrong here, split these open, get this situated. I've got to get the tag in here in a second, but I think hopefully today at least get some of the tabs cut, if not all the tabs. Yeah,
we'll start cutting because it's got to get done, and at least at that point there will be no change of decision. No change of plan, it will be done and done, and we have
yeah. So really, a little backstory on what he's talking about is if you're on the brute force forums, you know who we are. We're on there quite a bit now. And with that being said, we saw a couple cat boss lifts go up as of this week, earlier this week. One a 10-inch, the other one a 4-inch. Long story short, 10-inch fell through. And quite frankly, the old boy, and I'm sorry if you're seeing this, man, but low-key kind of flaky. So, we're, instead of just waiting on and trying to fish and get parts and deal with uncertainty, we're gonna go back to our original plan, and that's cut these tabs off, make new tabs, and we're gonna use some, if we haven't said it before, some Teryx arms. That's right, we're gonna use Teryx upper and low control arms on this beast, only because those things are beefy, super beefy. Hope I did, I'm so sorry, I think I just spit on you. But super beefy, that's why we're going with that. Instead of getting some other control arms for the brute force that were made for the brute force, i.e. factory, they're not very beefy. So these ones are super thick, super strong, so thick. And that's why we're going with those. So, Teryx arms, 4-inch boxes that we're rebuilding. It's gonna be a job, it's gonna be a task, so stick around, keep watching the series as we go. Right now, I'm gonna throw you guys into a time lapse of us getting these boxes taken apart. You ready? Let's jump into that right. Portals have been torn down. Look, we have a whole box right there. All the internal gears. Excuse me, it's freaking hot out here. Aaron is actually pressure washing all of the boxes down right now. There's 3, and there's 4. So yeah, quick wash. Our Walmart pressure wash is going hard at work. We might have to sandblast these things, we're thinking, because they're so caked with river run. Not to mention everywhere else that Aaron decided to go ride, like it's majority river run. It's a nice little piece of real estate there from river run.
Yeah.
But like I said, he's cleaning these up. Once he gets done with that, I guess we'll dive in and start cutting some tabs, so I'll see you guys in just a second.
What I'm thinking is, let's cut all the tabs off the back for now. And then
kind of look at it.
Yeah, you'll look at it.
It's right here, this one.
I'm looking
Knock
at
in my eyes. This one, this size. These people.
I hate this.
Forever calling you out.
I hate you too. Get that camera out of my face. Cut the back tabs off.
There's one underneath behind that shock. Look, you made me knock them all kind of crazy. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Get involved. All right, all right.
Okay, yeah, okay. Cut those suckers off. Focus on getting the rear arms mocked up, get the whole rear built, and then move to the front. That's what I think we should do.
Why?
Because it's easier.
Because Aaron might be dreading doing the fronts.
Yeah. And this is a lot more involved. So,
We're gonna do what the Gerb wants to do. He's a shop foreman, the lead mechanic, the head honcho, the father of the household, Jamie's midnight lover. That's his mind. So he makes the rules. So let's get to it. Let's start cutting some tabs.
back on in there.
Oh, this kind of three-way. I thought we were like.
No.
Oh.
Oh, I just took a picture of myself.
Wait, what were you talking about?
I thought we were gonna go for like a.
Hey, we're having a three-way.
Three-way? Yeah.
You dirty mind, you guys. You guys. What the hell?
Hey, you were acting real sus, so we had to vote you off.
I saw you vent. Blue bent.
We saw you vent. Fucking insert you floating on it.
Like the ghost.
Maybe if we just keep on watering our portals, they'll grow.
They'll grow into. These are 4s, so the next stage it's like a 6.
Yeah, you have to soak them for exactly 62 weeks.
Oh my God, we're gonna have just enough, I hope. I think we're gonna be a little short. We want them to be right over the top, you know? I got like 2 more gallons in there. That's it.
You're no one function.
Ooh, I like that.
So, we have the back cut up. No going back.
I'm going back now. Stuck with it.
I mean, we could just find the tabs we cut off and just like
Piece them back together.
super glue 'em. Yeah. Yeah, we'll drip stitch it. Zip ties will save it. 100%. 1 quarter down, 3 more to go. We're a little skeptical about doing that side because of that little nozzle right there. That's the gas fill neck.
Yeah.
And
I mean, really, the safest thing to do is pull it, but we're also lazy and like to live dangerously.
I mean, don't you guys want to see Aaron and me on fire?
Yeah. That would make some great content.
It's kind of not fair to save itself.
Yeah. Let's cut this shit.
You're bold. I like how a minute ago I was like, I don't know, man. I don't feel too good about this. Fuck it.
We finished this beer. Let's cut it.
Hey, hold my beer real quick. All right. Well, insert more time lapse and hopefully no explosion.
Yeah. Fine, this shit.
We've cut the 2 rears.
Got the 2.
Yeah.
We collectively, I put my finger in it once, so I get to.
Do I? Heal the brake lines out of the way.
I was trying to get portal situated and then I got distracted. Trying to fucking mess my stuff.
Hey, it happens. But Aaron got the 2 tabs in the back cut. So now you can see it smells like gasoline in here. These are all bare and clean, fresh template for
What's going on
those
here?
arms. And then
We're gonna get that all ground down and prettied up.
yeah, this side done with the.
Where I come in.
Yeah, I saved these brake lines right here. It was kind of great for me. Oh, I see the bushing you cut into.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. And yeah, so now we can start mocking up the rears. Eventually we'll make it to the fronts. But for now,
We made progress.
yeah.
We did something.
Yeah, we did something. We've been kind of pushing off on this just because, you know, trying to decide if we wanted to go regular arms or 7-inch lifts or 10-inch lifts or whatever.
Or giant lift.
Giant
You
lifts.
tune back to the beginning of this video.
Rewind.
Long story short, 10-inch fell through, and quite frankly, the old boy, and I'm sorry if you're seeing this, man, but low-key kind of flaky, so.
And then play it back.
Catwalks. 10, 4, don't respond. We're doing it. Fuck you, Louisiana. I mean what I say.
For all you viewers out there,
See this hat? Texas made for a reason. Yeah. Except you, Caucasian. You're awesome. Alright.
Tag. Yeah. Shorty, because you're 7 million feet taller than.
Exactly. I'm not trying to get chokeslammed by somebody. Now we'll keep moving forward, and let's see, just for an idea, if I can round up
The correct rears.
which one. I think.
Yeah, Super ATV. If you're watching this.
Here we go. Yeah, these are it.
So yeah, Super ATV. If you're watching this, it'd be cool if you guys could label these for us
Something.
tards.
Let's see here. So something long.
Dude, they
Hey,
look
want me to
so
hold one of those?
beefy. Yeah, it would be really assistive.
Yeah, get the upper should go about right there. Somewhere in there. And then down there. Something like that. With these being longer, I'm hoping that we can get a little more lift out of them.
Are you going arched?
Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's not gonna make a hell of a difference, but still, I think it'll add to the wow factor.
So if those are mounted there, how does that shock come down?
It doesn't.
Oh, so we have to relocate that.
Well, I mean, you could either make a tab out here, which would be wild.
Yeah, because that I don't feel like that would give any support to the front section of this at all.
No, so we're gonna have to do something. Maybe find a different shock.
Yeah, one that maybe Z's over.
Oh yeah.
We need a Z-bend shock.
So we need the ZZ top ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No big deal, just more fabrication.
What's that? Is that Z shit?
No big deal, just more fab. It's just, you know, normal stuff.
Well, so do you want to do your? If you made it this far, thanks for watching.
It's Aaron's turn.
Is this it? We're done?
This is why I was trying to get stuff done this evening.
Oh, well, we did get some stuff done.
Okay then.
Okay.
Yeah, he set his fucking arm on fire and his beard.
Man. I got one in my ear. It was like,
He did, yeah.
I put it in your ear. Anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. If you got this far, congratulations. You did. So you did something. Get in there, subscribe it, like it, bell it, do all the stuff. Comment on the videos. Let us know what you want to see. We're gonna be getting after this thing. We're gonna get it done.
What's what?
Bell? That's the bell.
Bell. Hit the bell. Hit the bell. Hit the bell.
Bell.
Bell. God, get out of here. Get it.
Fucking rookie.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Take Aaron's on a 7 going towards 8. Justin's at a hard 6. Your boy's up 2.
I'm trying to figure out the joke I want to make. I'll just leave it alone.
It's also lengthwise. That's eh?
Hard 6 is a perfect time.
Eh?
Nothing like a good hard 6.
Nothing like a good hard 6.